how to save Google Maps offline. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to save Google Maps for offline use. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Open the Google Maps app on your phone. In the top right corner, tap your profile icon. From the menu that appears, look for the option called Offline Maps and tap on it. Next, tap Select your own map. You'll now see a box on the screen. Drag and zoom to select the area you want to save. Keep in mind that the larger the area you choose, the more storage space it will take up on your device, so pick only what you need. Once you've selected the area, tap the download button in the bottom right corner of the screen. You'll see a progress bar showing how much has downloaded. Just wait a moment for it to finish. After the download is complete, you'll see the save map listed under Offline Maps, and you can tap on it anytime to open and use it. Even when you don't have Wi-Fi or data, you'll be able to search locations, get directions, and see where you are on the map within that area you saved. That's all for the video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy guides. Thanks for watching.